today we are entering into 31 shloka. 31 and 32 are together. They are called Leela Smarana. Leela Smarana. Even 33 also, but 31, 32 are like a pair. This is a beautiful Leela Bhagavan Shankaracharya ji is describing in these two shlokas. So let us chant them first. We'll see 31 and then we'll enter into 32. 31 chanting. Nalamba paramopakarakam tvekam pashunam pate pashyan kukshigatan chara charaganan bahyastitan rakshitum sarvamartya palayanaushadhamati jwalakaram bhikaram nikshiptam garalam gale nagilitam nodgirnameva tvaya. This one in the Leela, it is talking about Parama Upakaram. Idam means this is a great Upakaram, great help, great service you have done to humanity, all jivas, whole universe, all the world, you have done great service, great Upakaram. Paramopakaram means supreme Upakaram. It's not an ordinary one, extraordinary Upakaram. Oh Lord Shiva. Now that is why it is Leela Smarana. In this Leela Smarana, we get Nama, Rupa, Guna, Leela Vaibhavam, of course, Mahima and Tattvam. It will take us to the Tattvam, essential nature. All that is included. And this one is Mantram also. Everything is Mantram. So that is what we are going, you are taking it. All this is your Karuna, Karunyam, compassion. And Sahasam means bravery. How strong you are and how brave you are. Veeratvam. All that is going to see in this Leela Smarana. That is why even Bhagavatam also, Dashamaskandam, filled with Krishna Leela. Damodara Leela, Putana Samhara Leela, Shakatasura Samhara Leela, Kamsa Vadha. So many are there. Janura, Mushtika,